Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to track email performance in HubSpot step by step, using simple tools available in 2026. Let's begin. Tracking email performance in HubSpot helps you understand how your audience interacts with your emails. It allows you to measure engagement, improve campaigns, and get better results. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then click Email. Here you'll see a list of all your sent and scheduled emails. Click on any sent email campaign to view its performance details. HubSpot will show key metrics such as open rate, click-through rate, bounce rate, and unsubscribe rate. The open rate shows how many people opened your email. The click-through rate tells you how many recipients clicked on links inside the email. These metrics help you understand if your subject line and content are effective. Scroll down to see more detailed reports. You can view which links were clicked, who opened the email, and how contacts engaged with your message. HubSpot also tracks delivery performance. You can see bounces, spam reports, and unsubscribes, which help you maintain a healthy email list. To compare results, use filters to analyze performance by date range or campaign type. This helps you identify trends and improve future emails. If you use automated emails, you can track their performance from workflows as well. Open the workflow and review email engagement data for each automated message. For deeper analysis, go to Reports Dashboards. Here, you can add email performance reports and monitor overall email marketing results. In summary, tracking email performance in HubSpot helps you make data-driven decisions. By analyzing opens, clicks, and engagement, you can optimize your email strategy and achieve better results in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.